Today in SERDNA Talk, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of a cash out refinance. If you're thinking about remodeling your property, then this could be a great option. However, if you want to use the money for something else, then you're looking for trouble. Keep in mind that we're talking about your home. You must have equity built up in your house in order to do a cash out refinance. Remember that a cash out refinance will replace your existing mortgage with a new home loan for more than what you own on your property. And the difference will go back to your pocket or to your bank account, and you can spend this money on home improvements or buy your favorite Porsche or going to Japan, etc. Let me tell you a little bit about how a cash out refinance works. If you borrow more than 80% of your equity, you will have to pay for private mortgage insurance. And a cash out refinance will have a higher interest rate since the loan amount is larger. A cash out refinance will limit the amount from 80 to 90% of your home equity. In other words, you can't pull out 100% of your home equity. People usually do a cash out refinance in order to pay off high interest credit cards. As you already know, paying off your credit cards will help you build your credit score. However, if you're not financially strong and if you have horrible habits, then you're taking a big risk and you could end up losing it all. Remember that you will pay closing costs for a cash out refinance, and those are typically between 2 to 5% of the mortgage. A cash out refinance can make sense if you are going to get low interest rates, but believe it or not, people do them just to go on vacations or to buy their favorite Porsche. If you're thinking about doing a cash out refinance, do it to remodel your property. This could help you build equity. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talk and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.